Let's go see what they're up to.
Hey, is that have we got two guys up here?
Yeah, I think we did that.
Oh, this.
All right.
Ah. Damn. Shooting the camera guy.
Oh, that is taking the helmet, man?
Camera. There's nobody next to me. Yeah, it is. That's hit two, Jason.
Hit one. One.
Try to catch up with Jason. Cameraman moving. Cameraman moving. Camera. Cameraman, come around. Okay.
What's up? Go on. Is it safe here? Yeah. Dave, where are you? Oh, I think I hit that video. Dead man coming through the hallway there. Man, hit him in the finger. Give me 25 here. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry.
They're going anywhere.
So you guys are trapped, yeah.
Well, they're actually dirt trapped. They're just putting them down.
You're not killing them.
What?
You're not killing them. You chop them down, but you got to kill them.
Not in bed. Make yourself known to me. Okay. How many beds you got? Hang on. How many beds? Oh, God, last mag. Hey, non-vest. I mean vest. Let me see.
Camera.
All right, good to go. Oh, no impact. You're not shooting, that's why. Wind in your mag. Jingle it and see if there's anything in it. Over, man.
Damn, Tommy, that was... Oh, man.
Okay, where are my non-vests?
Somewhere.
Okay, you walk down the back hall. Are you dead? Got any BBs on you?
What?
I got I'm not, man. I used all 3 of my mags already.
This right here is the biggest noob you'll ever see.
Hey, you grab the plate. Are you dead?
I don't think I have anything on me.
Not anything?
Nope. I took all my weapons off. Keegan has them.
Two dead people coming out of the warehouse. I got people coming out of the warehouses. Dead men walking. Oh, that was a little close there, mister. That was not cool.
What happened?
Alright, let's go. Let's go gangsta. Let's go gangsta. Come on. I got no ammo yet. I'm still coming. Anyone not bad?
What's up, Booney?
Game over.
And that's game.